Stop paying crazy API fees. Out of absolutely nowhere, DeepSeek just dropped version 4. We are talking about the largest open source AI release in history, a massive 1.6 trillion parameter model with a 1 million token content window. If you are a full stack developer building agentic workflows or complex React applications, this model just changed the economic of AI coding. Today, we are putting DeepSeek version 4 Pro through a brutal street test. We are going to zero shot a high converting landing page from scratch and look at exactly why this architecture is so powerful. So let's get into it. Before we write a single line of code, we have to look architecture. DeepSeek version 4 is a mixture of experts model, meaning it has 1.6 trillion total parameter, but only activates 49 billion parameter per steps. This make it insanely efficient and blazing fast. Combined with massive 1 million token content window, you can now feed entire GitHub repository, hundreds of component file and massive API documentation into the model about it hallucinating or breaking down. Let's test a live test. So, what we will do is we will go to deepseek.com here, click on it, and now here click on export, and now let's start building. So, what I will ask is to build a modern high converting landing page from SaaS project from scratch. I didn't just want basic HTML. I specially prompted it to use Tailwind CSS, including a sticky Glassmorphism navbar, building a responsive pricing grid, and set up the foundation for smooth GSAP scroll animation. Hit enter and let's wait for a little while because it takes to understand and also create plans and so on. So let's wait a little bit, and as you can see now it start writing HTML and Tailwind code, and it will take a little bit more time and it will be finished. So guys, finally it's done, and as you can see it provided all the codes and everything. Now it's time to check this out. So just go here and copy the code here, go to VS Code, and I have created a file here that is DeepSeek version 4 HTML. Now paste the code here and save it, and now let's open file with live server to check this out. So click on this and look at the design guys. So it looks perfect and smooth as you can see here. And now for the responsiveness part, let me just show you here. So in responsiveness it looks perfect, and here you can see hamburger menu. That looks awesome. So I will rate 7 out of 10. The reason behind all this is, look at this here, it didn't able to make this stuff better. As if I just refresh here, look at this. The GSAP animations is not perfectly aligned, but it can be fixed after 1 to 2 prompts, and that's enough for a simple basic design. And this pricing here, look at this, there should be a third pricing as well, but before of GSAP animation you can see there should be an error. So no need to worry guys. So guys, are you switching your workflow to DeepSeek version 4 or staying with Claude or OpenAI? Let me know in the comments. Also, a quick update for the community. If you are a business owner or startup looking to build high converting web applications, implementing custom AI workflows, or if you need professional graphic designing and digital marketing, my digital agency InnoSpark Media is currently taking on new clients. If you want to hire me or my team to build your next project, just head over to the InnoSpark Media website, linked below in the descriptions, and share your project detail with us. Drop a like. Welcome to Procoder09 family, and I will see you in the next one. Happy coding.